Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my second FabFitFun annual box. I get 2 annual boxes. Is this not the cutest little FabFitFun box you've ever seen? I think I made all small choices in it, but I have never had a FabFitFun box this small. I don't mind it at all. I prefer they use less packaging. This is my spring 2025. Let's get into it and check it out. We'll put cards up in case you've missed my other unboxings for my partner box and my first FabFitFun annual box. I do 2 annual boxes. This is my second box. Everything in it is different from my other 2 boxes. We're just gonna get right in and check it out. It's kind of heavy. I do a small mystery bundle for this, so it's kind of surprising to me that it must be in here. When we open it up, it looks just like its big brother, but only smaller. Oh, it's so stinking cute. Spring things. If you are new to FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. You can sign up as a seasonal member or an annual member. So you decide whether you pay seasonally or annually. The beauty of annually is you save about $60, which is almost the cost of a box over the course of a year. Plus, when you sign up, you get a free gift. If you sign up as a seasonal, you get 20% off your first box. I will put codes below for both of those things. I am a FabFitFun partner, but this box I pay for completely on my own. I do 2 annual boxes that are just my annual boxes from way back before I was a partner. Trying not to look, I see a bag of goodies right on top, so we will set that aside. And then paperwork. That's what my little box looks like. Oh my gosh, so cute. This is what we have for paperwork. We can scratch it off. I was not a winner on my other one. We will scratch it off and see if we won a $10,000 prize. And you also get your HelloFresh homemade made easy. If you have any interest in this, let me know. First come, first serve. I can give you the code. We get them each season in our FabFitFun box. First out, we have our Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray. I think this is a deodorant that you can put all over your body. I had one in my other box too. I think I will tuck it away and wait for summer to give it a try, but I am happy to give it a try. It's a great way to try something new. Okay, customization 1. My choice in this box is the Maison Louis Marie No. 4 Bois de Balancourt. I think this is an oil, as I recall. Here, let's look it up. This is, yes, it says perfume oil No. 4. It is half an ounce, $65 in value. The shipping restrictions were US and Canada only. They say that it is earthy and woody, warm woods, and the keynotes are sandalwood, vetiver, and amber wood. If you saw my video yesterday, you know that post Disney World, I am getting over the Rona. So I have a seriously decreased sense of smell and taste. So we will see if I can indeed smell this. Half an ounce is a little more in a bottle than I thought. $65 value. Wow. And it is a roller ball. I cannot smell it without making it come out a little more. I'm going to make myself smell like it, so hopefully it'll be lovely. It is an oil, so I find that oils don't generally last quite as long. Let me know your experience. Oh, that's nice. What is that? I guess the sandalwood and the vetiver is what is most prominent in it. It is, warm woods is a great descriptor for it. I think of it as kind of musky. I like it. We'll see how it dries down. I think it could be unisex. I don't know if they called it unisex, but it seems to me that it could be. It says that this scent is a sandalwood fragrance with a dominant cedarwood and sandalwood accord, supplemented by spicy cinnamon, nutmeg, and complex earthy vetiver notes. Okay, well, I'm not getting cinnamon, but I absolutely cannot, oh look, cannot be the judge of this and what notes it does and does not have. I will say it is quite nice. Customization 2. And I already broke one of my new rules. One of my new rules is less caffeine, because I realized I was putting caffeine onto my body in so many different ways, and I have a little bit of a heart rhythm issue, so the less the better. But here we are. It's the Osea Ocean Eyes Age Defying Eye Serum. It has caffeine in it, but I chose it anyway. It is the Malibu Ocean Eyes. It has a $58 value and is 0.58 ounces. Oh, it is a Allure Best of Beauty 2022. It seems like there's a lot of it. I know 0.58 ounces, but that's a pretty good sized little bottle. It's nice and frosted glass. I love the quality of it. I don't get any smell from it. All I can smell is the woodsy of the perfume that I put on. But it said, it is a wake-up call for tired eyes. This hydrating gel serum addresses all signs of aging. A high-performance blend of seaweed, hyaluronic acid, caffeine, and peptides smooth the look of fine lines and crow's feet. I thought it would be worth giving a try. So we'll see as I start slowly adding some caffeine things back in if I can tell the difference. But I'm sure a little bit under eye will be fine. Customization 3. I have used the Molton Brown bath gels in the past and really enjoyed them. So I got this one because it is orange and bergamot, and I love a citrus scent. It's just one of my favorites. Oh, I can smell that. Yay. Oh, it's very, very orangey. It's lovely. Smells quite posh. That is lovely and bright and citrusy. Very nice. And I took it off because it would be easier to smell, but when you're using it in the shower, it does have the little. It is orange and bergamot bath and shower gel, or you could have chosen coastal cypress and sea fennel. And they have a $35 value, and they are 10 ounces, vegan. And they said this one is a civilian courtyard of sun-dappled citrus trees, lively airs of sweet orange, sparkling bergamot, and blossoming Norlii dance a scented flamenco. All right, my choice for number 4 was the Londontown Queen of Hearts. It's a nail bundle, $64 value. And they say that it is a dot tool, a glass nail file, and 2 must-have lacquer shades. It is 21 free and has good for you botanicals. The lacquer shades are candy floss and shimmering cotton candy. So those both sound lovely. Let's see what they look like. My nails need done so bad. So we have our 2 colors, and our tools came in this little thing. The colors are 2 gorgeous pinks. We have a very light pink. Is that sparkly? Yes, the light pink has got sparklies in it. So it's going to have a little shine to it. That would be perfect for now when I'm trying to go a little more subtle because I chopped all my nails down low. And then that peachy, pinky, I feel like I can see in person there's like a coralness, peachiness to the pink. It's gorgeous. I will enjoy both of those. I actually have a couple Mani and Me's down here to show you guys. It has been so long since I have just sat down and enjoyed doing one of my Mani and Me manicures. I may never get this out. Which one do you think is permanent? I don't know. Ooh, turned the fan on when I did that. I was working up hot. It's the black side that comes off. I had to take a nail and push, 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 push because I didn't want to break what little bit of nails I've gotten back since I took them down. So this is the brush and the dot, so you can do different designs on your nails. And then this is the glass nail file. It's really cute. It's pink, and the front of it, can you guys tell? The front of it has like crowns on it. Oh, it's a good one. It's subtle. Some of the glass ones that I have used are very aggressive. This is really just, this is for fine tuning. You're not going to take off a lot of nail with this one. This is very nice. This was my choice again in customization 4, and this has a $64 value. You get the 2 tools and the 2 nail polishes. $64, 2 tools. I don't know how much their nail polishes are. Here, hold on, let me. Lacquers are $16, so 32 and 32. You would not see this at the store and spend $32. So this is one of those things that you just have to pick because it's something you like, not because of the value of it. It happens in subscription boxes. I'm just saying. That's my own personal opinion. Probably not FabFitFun's opinion. And actually, I'm sure that Londontown set the retail value on this. Okay, next, in customization 5, I chose the Nudist by Mutha. It's a exfoliating soap. The paperwork says it is an exfoliating body bar. $30 value, reveals smooth, soft skin. Designed for an everyday shower use, it works to moisturize, gently exfoliate, and smooth the skin. Aromatic notes of white grapefruit, Ipsy, and green foliage create a relaxing, sensorial experience. Oh, it's just the soap. That is what the soap looks like. I can't get it. It's too subtle. I feel like I want to smell citrusy scented, but it's just not quite there. It's not quite strong enough, which is a good thing first thing in the morning in the shower. It also, just for the record, it doesn't feel, when you're touching the outside, you don't know it's going to be exfoliating. It doesn't feel gritty from the outside. I'm kind of happy about that too. So we will give this a try. It is a $30 exfoliating body bar. This is one of those things that I chose it in my box because it's a great chance to try it, but there is 0% chance I would be spending $30 on an exfoliating body bar on my own. So that is a fantastic way to try it. And my last customization choice in this box, customization 6, I chose the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Liner Stick. It is a stick eyeliner, and I chose this. I think my daughter wanted it, so I'm not going to swatch this. I will show it to you guys, but I believe that I asked my daughter if there was anything in any of the boxes that she liked, and she liked this. Ooh, that is what it looks like. It is bigger than I expected. It reminds me of an old Laura Geller one that I had that was thicker at the top. Yeah, that is a bigger liner. So you could get a thin line as long as you keep it sharp. Is the other end? Yes, the other end is a sharpener. So that's always handy with these liners. And this is, they say, rich chocolate, and it had a $34 value. So that's great for customization 6. For the record on here, it says rich chocolate matte, and I don't think that was part of our description. So those were my 6 choices that I got to choose. Whether you're seasonal or an annual member, you get to choose all 6 of your customization choices. And that is what I put in this box, plus the Dove that they sent for free. In this box, I also have a refill of the smallest, I think $19.99 mystery bundle that they have. And this is it. I've managed to not look at it yet. It is small because they got it in that box. And it also feels like a lot of fabric. So we're gonna go ahead and look down now and cut into it. Right off the bat, I see socks. That's all I could see. We have socks from Happy Socks. It is a really bright, fun pattern. Those are, I don't know that my camera can do them justice with their brightness. It is a crew sock that is so bright and fun. This says they are combed cotton. The sizing is US, women's 5.5 to 9.5 shoe size. So I am about a 7.5, so right in the middle, perfect. 86% cotton, 12% polyamide, 2% elastane. So a cute pair of socks. What was the other fabric thing? I don't know. Sweet Dreams satin sleep set from Sweet Dream. Oh no, from I&H. Insert name here. Oh, that's fun. Funny story. I saw a meme the other day that said, as you get older, the one thing you can count on is lengthening your nighttime sleep routine. You know, first you just, when you're a kid, you could sleep on the floor, you could sleep on a rock, everything's fine. And as you get older, you know, you need better beds, you find favorite pillows. I have recently added magnesium. I do magnesium on the soles of my feet before I go to bed. And I have, in the last year or so, added a sleep mask. It just helps me sleep better. It blocks the light that manages to get in our room. We don't have blackout lights because I don't always open my curtains in the bedroom during the day. So I want light to filter in. I don't want it to be dark in there. This is cute. It is pink and orangish, kind of tie-dye-y. And I can't put it on now because I have mascara on, but this feels a little tight. The one that I have, I love because it happened to come in a box just like this, but this was very loose on it. And I have a big head. It just makes it easier for me. We also got a matching scrunchie, so I can have a whole evening thing going on. And this is probably a pillowcase. This is a pillowcase. Is it a pillowcase or a pillow sleeve? No, it is a pillowcase. My nemesis is a pillow sleeve because my pillow always goes in one side and squirts out the other. You can see the tie-dye in this too, I hope. This is satin. Now that I have taken it out, I will fold it back up in case one of my girls wants it because in person, it is absolutely adorable. It's got pinks and purples, oranges to yellow. It's just super duper cute. I have the slip silk pillowcases on my pillows. I don't want that to sound snotty. I'm just saying. So I won't use the satin but one of my girls will probably love it. I will, however, try this on my big old head and see if that works. And if it does, I will be happy to have a backup, because there have been a couple of evenings where it's gotten in the bed linens and I haven't been able to find it right away. And I almost panic now. That's how much of a routine it has become for me. Also, I mean, I'm off on a tangent now. I might as well finish it. A couple of years ago, I added a HEPA air purifier that I just keep running in our room all of the time. And the filter clogged and it was making a whistling sound that I couldn't bear at night. So we had to unplug it. I had to go looking on my phone for white noise sounds that mimicked that sound because the quiet was driving me insane. I had gotten used to that white noise. Yes, I am very high maintenance at bedtime. And the last thing in our mystery bundle, brain fog, is a Beekman 1802 Milk Scrub Oat and Goat Milk Exfoliating Facial Cleanser. I have never tried this. I have used some of the Beekman products for your face. I can use all of them for your body and enjoy them. For your face, I've had about 50-50 luck. Some of it irritates my skin. Some of it does not. This is the Milk Scrub. That is what it looks like. If it doesn't work for me, I will probably pass it along to one of my girls. But that's kind of fun to get in this. So I got a pair of Happy Socks, the Beekman 1802 Face Cleanser and Exfoliator, and a Sweet Dreams Sleep Set from INH, which is insert name here, but we're calling it INH now. That is a pretty good bundle, mystery bundle. Was that not the cutest little box you ever saw? That is such a fun size for a FabFitFun box. These were my 6 choices. I got my mystery bundle. Thank you so much for coming by and checking this out. Again, I am a FabFitFun partner, so I will put coupon codes down below for 20% off a seasonal or a free gift if you sign up as an annual. Thank you again so much for coming by. I appreciate you guys taking the time to be here. If you are new to the channel, I hope you will consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys. Take care.